Me want to start back from scratch. Me see and me acknowledge when me go wrong. I'm a pitney them. Me a ball boat. Me not ball boat nothing else. Me not break. All I can say is my biggest regret are when me go mix up with anybody on social media. These people are dangerous people. These people are people that sit behind social media, and it's not only the business page, the bloggers. No. You know what? Let me leave it right there, so. My ball crew, we no win. Them people is not to be ramped with on social media. These people are not, they will take over your business. They will take over your life. They will stalk your children. They don't, listen, these people don't play. And like I said, I'm not going to speak too much, but I'm being smart. Me not worry about him. No, me not worry about him. Listen, he's gonna ride me until him find a new topic and a new way to make money. I ain't worried about him. But that was the icing on the cake. I gotta protect my kids, you guys. I love my kids to death. I love my kids to my picking them are my only reason for live. Imagine if me sit down on social media until these people start attack me picking them. Start call them school. These people will write letters. These people will find me picking them school. These people will harass children. What me I tell you is no joke. I have to protect me youth them. Social media no more important than Mealy and TT. Me I beg you no right now. Yeah? Whether you're planker or whoever uno is, uno unfollow me. Please, me not afraid to come back on my live and 10 people are watch me. Me want only 10 people for watch me. Me don't need 300. Me don't need 400. If me come on my live and 10 people are watch me, me want to start back from scratch. Me want to start back from scratch. I want to start back from scratch. And this not have to do nothing with what the people, my eyes just open up to a lot. My eyes are open. My eyes open. My eyes open. Me see and me acknowledge when me go wrong. Me acknowledge and say when me go wrong. If 10 people come on my live, when me talk about product, business, me want humbly start from 10 people. Break where? I'm not breaking. I just don't want nobody to fuck with my kids. I'm a pitney them. Me a ball boat. Me not ball boat nothing else. I'm a kids them. I don't want people to be fucking with my kids. And that's it. That's all. I don't care about nothing. Say, uno laugh after me, say me I cry. But when me hear all bat him and I attack me pitney them. When me hear about him and I attack me pitney them, like I said, It's not breaking. I'm talking about my kids. I'm a pity them me I talk about. Me hear all people I talk about me pity them school. Wanna war with me pity them school. Wanna war with me pity them school. Wanna war with me pity them school. Wanna know what school them go for. Wanna know what school they going to. Why? You know want my business, you know want my page. Can me take it good now and start back from scratch. Wanna know what school me pitney them go. You know want good Sankland page for me reach 100,000 followers. You know want it, can me give to when me start over. You know want my page? Who want my page? Who want my page? You know talk and me give to you. If I that a bother you so much. If you guys, anyone who know want my page, I will give to you. You're not supposed to grow on here. You're not to grow past them. You're not to grow past them. Once you're introduced to them or you're going at them circle, you're not supposed to grow past them. Or everybody has a problem with you. All of a sudden a gang war now. A gang up now. You're not supposed to grow. I'm me wrong. I am wrong. When you mix with these people, you mix with the devil, they're demons. You know, continue to talk about me. You know, talk about, and I'm not breaking. I'm not breaking. I'm not break. Because I'm still going to do my business. I'm still going to do me regardless. But I will go behind bars for who I'm a pitting them. Me will skin my blood clot crooked teeth and a mug shot for uno any pussy test. Me will sit on back our mug shot and smile with my crooked teeth them. My spotty tongue when me burn up with tea when me young. What I talk about? My damaged tongue. What I talk about? I will laugh panic pan a mug shot for no. So no go and talk here. Think me normal. When you think some normal, you no go and talk. Go and talk and keep talking about children. Cause now try to get to me so bad. Y'all trying to get to me so bad. Y'all can't talk about nothing else but kids. Like me say, I seen where I fucked up. I'm gonna block so many of you guys. I must clean up my page. I must. I don't care if when I come on social media, 10 people. I'm not fighting for views. I'm not fighting for likes. My business is already set. I'm to a point I don't gotta come on social media and kill up myself to sell a product no more. I don't gotta come on here and kill up myself. I done establish myself already. I don't gotta come on Facebook. I could stay off of Facebook for 1 week and I'm still gonna make money. My product them still a sell. So what not fight me for?